let's talk about some units of measurement. Here we've got length, weight, and capacity. Well, what is length? Length is the distance between two objects or locations. If I was to measure the distance between your toes and your head, that would be the length. Or let's say from the front of the classroom to the back of the classroom, I would be measuring the length, the distance between two objects or locations. Weight is how heavy an object is. And items can be light or they can be heavy, as our little friend here is showing us. A feather, or it looks like a weight there. It's how heavy an object is. And then capacity. Capacity is the maximum amount a container can hold, or how much it can hold before flowing over, basically. And we've got a picture here of a lemonade jug, of a little cup, and then a bucket. Those all hold things. Now, capacity normally talks about liquid. So just remember that when you're talking about capacity, you're normally talking about liquid things, like maybe soup or water or things like that. So the three units of measurement that we are talking about today are length, weight, and capacity.